guys, welcome back to Shotgun Saturday Fright. We on episode, this is the 4th episode of the new series. Apologies guys for not giving last week. Something personal came up and didn't have the time to do what I wanted to do. But 2 new vids for you guys today, and link in the description down below for each of the channels for where these go. So if you want to go subscribe to them, be my guest in doing so. But I know you guys have come here to watch me get scared or so, or jump. Like I said before, guys, if I jump, I jump. I got no problem with admitting that. But more importantly, I want to appreciate everybody who's enjoyed the first 3 episodes. I've been keeping track of the numbers, and you know, each episode has gotten higher in views, and I appreciate that very much. And I love the comments. The comments are fun. You guys give your input on which of the 2 short films you like better. But also, like I said before, show some love to the people who created them, and you know, give them respect. I got blessings from two of the people here to show these, and I always love that. I do like going through the proper channels at times, so I've emailed or tweeted or DM'd the creators and like, hey man, can I feature your short on my show called Shotgun Saturday Fright? And they're like, man, go ahead, do it. So I've been appreciating that. So the first video is called The Last Bus Home. Last Bus Home. And it is by Jack on Films. Let's check this out. Yeah, man, here we go. And I hope you guys enjoy this as much as I seem to enjoy this. But a spooky bus ride. Yeah, this should be interesting. Let's do this. Here we go. Now.
Yeah, whatever. You're way worse than I was.
Ooh, Aussie.
Okay, I'm going to get the last bus home. So now they should run pretty late. Last one's at what, 1:30? So can't have gone yet. Listen, I've got to save my battery, so I'll love you and leave you.
No, that's
Oh yeah, and send me those photos, and don't you dare put them online until I say.
No, that's a
okay,
Brit.
bye.
Sorry. Sounded Aussie at first. Yeah, I see the double deckers. Alright, my mistake. Oh, that just looks creepy. That just looks creepy.
Wait, Cinderella, you been here long, have ya?
No, just got here.
Yeah, lucky for some. Fucking Mickey Mouse buses here and there. Feels like I've been here for years, you know what I mean?
Oh, come on, bro.
What, so you've been out with your pals having fun, have ya?
Yeah.
Yeah. I reckon you look like you have a bit of fun.
Oh, come on, don't be an asshole, man. Oh, come on, man.
Oh, God.
Oh, bus.
Wait.
Oh my God.
Oh, no, I did.
Okay, that fucked me up because.
Well, I said you're going Macedonia. Earphones, what are you listening to?
I'm
Bruh.
on the side. That's my bus. Oh, I've just missed it.
Oi, wait there, trotters. Hey.
That scared me. Why don't you Uber, girl?
Tonight? Yeah, and I got kicked out, got the didn't I? Yeah, just knocking out a bit of coke, you know what I mean?
That scared me because I should have expected that shit. Yeah, Uber or call somebody.
Can I book a cab? I'm on Coxwood Road and I go, hello? Hello?
Oh, this is some, where the, why is he on the floor?
Hey! Hey, are you alright? Can you hear me? Hello? It's not funny, alright?
I don't think he, no, don't go up to him.
Hello?
Nah.
Hey, mate. Let's get you.
What the fuck?
It's alright. I've been here for years.
He's a ghost. He's a ghost. Oh shit. He was a ghost. That's I'm not gonna say, I ain't gonna lie. I did not expect that. I did not expect him to be a ghost. But that him peeping out from a dip, that creeped me out. I should have saw that coming, y'all, but I didn't. Alright? I'm gonna keep it real with y'all. I should have saw that. So he was a ghost. And I guess he's trapped in that location. I wonder what happened. Looked like we saw what happened. He OD'd on some kind of prescription drugs. Yeah. That's pretty it's pretty messed up. But in the meantime, let's go on to the next. All right, guys. So back again with the next video on this episode. So what did you guys think of the? Hope you guys enjoyed the last bus ride. I thought it was interesting. The ending surprised me because I thought the dude was gonna turn out to be like some crazed guy who's almost gonna bona fide try to rape the girl, but I'm glad it didn't go that route. So the next one, guys, is once again I got permission as well as to use this video. This vid is called The Smiling Woman. Now, there are many shorts on YouTube that have that name, The Smiling Woman or The Smiling Man. I've watched one before and it creeped the hell out of me. This one is brought to you by Alexander the Titan. Let's check this out. Hope you guys enjoy it. Shouts out to Alexander the Titan once again. Thank you, bro, for allowing me to use this and showcase it as well. Link in the description down below. Let's do this. Here we go. Now. What the hell?
Hello, internet people. It's me, Alex. I recently had a terrifying night. And I decided to share it with you. The Smiling Woman. Please enjoy the newest installment.
I see you, Alex. I see you. Bro, what is he doing, man? Like, seriously. What is he making? He's making something?
There. Hold on.
Looks like a 12-year-old drew that, man. As best you can do. Ah, come on, man. Oh, that's hurt. That's legit hurting my ears. I gotta. Thank you.
Hello?
David,
Who is this?
oh my God. It's the mother of your recently aborted child. You don't recognize my voice.
No, I suppose I do. I just wasn't expecting a call.
Yeah, that's the thing. 'Cause I lost my purse and my keys and my phone.
Oh, that's unfortunate.
Yes. Yes, it is.
Are you alright?
Yes, it's fine. But I was calling to let you know that I'm coming back now.
Oh, well.
Why is she talking so
Would you
monotone?
like me to leave the front door unlocked so you can get inside?
Don't do that.
No, I can get in. With or without a key.
We're sorry. Your call cannot be completed as dialed.
Hello?
Please check the number and dial again. Or call your
Okay, that right there is scary. I can get in with or with that. What's wrong with this girl? Yo, Alex, man, what the hell? You see? What are you doing? What are you doing? What the hell is he doing? Oh, don't tell me this is foreshadowing some... Alex, bruh, don't... What is he... No. I'm in my defense, y'all. This chick is in the house. You fucking idiot. Whoa. Okay, where'd she go? No jump scare. No first person jump scare. I'm chill with that. Nope. That door about to flip wide open again. Stop, man. Come on, man. Bruh. Don't do that. Oh, shit. She's about... Stop fucking with me. Stop. Don't open that door. Don't you open that door. Oh, shit. Shit. That creeped me out. Oh, you gonna put your glasses on. What the? She in the bathroom. I'm legit nervous now, guys. That creeped me out. That creeped me out. And I don't like this darkness. It's creeping me out right now. Yep. I got a feeling that all that stuff he was doing in front of me is foreshadowing something, and Don't tell me this is that little doodle come to life. Why you ain't got a weapon? Why you ain't got a weapon? Is he counting? Turn that light on. Turn the fucking light on. Okay.
I'm gonna have to place you in the pink room.
What the? What? What?
Now, don't you be disruptive.
Yo, you see what she's holding? You see what she's holding?
We're getting these scissors.
Foreshadowing. Foreshadowing. I see you, Alex. I see you. And you're gonna back up. Bruh! You just gonna stick. You better run! This fool deserves to die. He's an idiot. He's an idiot. He's slow. Fuck, I'm out the door. Why are you? And you're gonna go back and look. What are you doing? Fucking run! There's a doodle who's come to life with a bunch of shears, sharps, in her hand. You have not seen us. Has he not? That's that woman, right? The mother of his child, right? Is that, or is that her? Oh my! She gonna look right under there. She gonna pull a granny. She gonna pull a granny. Nope. Use up. Yeah, I'm legit scared. She gonna pull a granny and look right underneath, like from the game Granny. Yeah, she looking underneath. I'm not. No, don't do it. Don't do it. She gonna come from the. Don't do it. Don't do it. Bro, what the fuck is going on? What's happening? She's looking on it. 5, 4, 3, 2, peekaboo. This, don't look up. Don't do that. She knows you there, butthead. See. She knows he's there. She does. I know she does. And why didn't he just leave the place? Don't open that door. In my defense mode again. Yo, man, like, yo, I'm serious. Like, she's fucking right there.
1, 2, 3.
Oh shit! Oh! He deserved that. I'm sorry. That idiot deserved that shit. That fucker deserved that. Yep. Idiot.
And there you have it. The newest installment. Please like, subscribe. If you have any nightmares and you'd like to tell me about it.
All right, we ending right there. All right, first of all, Alex, bro, I'm a with you, bro. That creeped me out. It wasn't the creepiness of who is the person attacker, the monster or whatever. It's the concept of she could be right around that corner, and you did a good job with the cinematography and the lighting. I like that approach. But anyway, what did you guys think of both vids? Did you like Last Bus Ride, or did you like the Smiling Woman better? Which one? Leave your comments in the section down below, and don't forget to subscribe to the channels as well. For me, I'm going with the Smiling Woman. That creeped me out. You saw me in my defense a lot in this. So I'm covering up and things like that. That garners more of what is going to make me appreciate that more. I appreciated the other one too, because it was more. It wasn't really horror-esque, but it was like a thriller mystery. Still good. Don't get me wrong. But yeah, man, this was good stuff. I hope you guys enjoyed the video as much, because that's why you guys come here to see me on Shotgun Saturday Fright, is to get scared, and your boy got scared. Pretty much. I jumped. This is your Alpha, Marvin and Kid, saying peace, one love, stay tuned, keep it real, stay safe, and I'll see you guys next time. Same Fright channel, same Saturday night. Yeah. I was trying to make some rhyme, it didn't work. But I'll see you guys next Saturday with another episode.